don't know if it's broken, but see, it was another little issue that we're gonna try out. So we're gonna go and see if we can get another part like this here. So hey Mike, we're gonna go see if we can get another part like this here and see if this fix our issue, or at least one of our issues. I'm just now leaving O'Reilly, and the part that they had for it is this one here. And it's supposed to be $17, but I'm gonna go get some gas. It's supposed to be $17, but they didn't have the one for $17, so clearly the only one that they had was the most expensive one, which is $40. So I had to pay $40 for this one here. I could have went somewhere else. Probably should have did that. I don't feel like driving anywhere else than the closest one, so I just have to pay for that myself. We're gonna go back, install this here, and see what happens. Alright, so back at the shop, got this other part right here. Like I said, go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys what that looks like real quick. And I'm gonna install it onto there. So this is it right here. This thing here was, I told you how much this thing was, so we're not gonna go back into it. Just go ahead and just put it on here and see what happens.
Show you made a shit.
Take that out, then there you go, you took it out. They had the cheaper one at O'Reilly, was 17 bucks, but they were sold out on it, and so all they had was the $40 one. I kind of want to get this car up and going, so that's the reason why I just went ahead and just said screw it and went ahead and paid for the more expensive one. You know, hopefully that this here will get rid of our park brake sensor, get rid of our issues with our braking lighting and everything. So yeah, let's go see what happens, right? So I'm making this thing here a thing every time I do a video. So moment of truth. We're going to find out whether we got the problem fixed or if we're gonna be stuck with the same issue. So, ooh, wee. Let's get to it. The key. Like we got one down. Awesome. All right. We got one down. And God knows how many more to go. Let's go ahead. Let's see how this thing even works. The normal height. Let's send the tailgate is open. Let's see what's going on with the tailgate. Should have known that this car here was going to be a pain in the ass. And it looks like we got rid of one light. Now, we got to get rid of the other lights. So, I'm going to try to do all that. Get rid of all them lights on this one here. And hopefully we'll be golden. I got to see what's going on with the ride height sensors now. Now the park is working, and we got to see what's going on with the ride height. And I'm gonna double check and make sure the transmission fault codes don't come on. Oh, and then we also got to check engine light that's on this one still. So check those codes out and see what that is, and then we'll work from that and see what's going on with that. I told you, man, this car here has some problems. Got a lot of issues going on in that car, on this car here. So I don't really know, man. But you know, we taking care of them one step at a time, one thing at a time. So like I said, I'd rather keep doing my cheaper options first before I do my more expensive options. Y'all seen I did the PCM change. I changed the PCM system. I mean, we cleaned it. We didn't change it. We cleaned that out. Changed the battery, put in a brand new battery in this one. Cleaned out the PCM, and then we just changed the brake pedal adjuster. So we got that light gone. That's gone. But I don't think that she doesn't really feel too happy when it's time for her to like shift gears for whatever reason. Maybe if I was to be trying to shift them when I do the manual, but she don't really like to shift gears as much. See, like I'm driving right now. Okay, there it goes. Shift gear 1. Now I'm going, and it's not there yet. 1,000 RPM. There it goes to shift the gear. Okay. Well, maybe, I don't know, man. I think we got her pretty much squared away for the most part. And she seems to be just about almost drivable. And then this guy pulls right here and blocks me, so I can't squeeze through. Which sucks because now, oh well, when the light shoot, this would be there we go. Speaking of which, there's I had to tell y'all that we're gonna get our Hyundai Genesis Coupe back soon. Can't wait to show y'all what that's gonna look like finished. That baby there is gonna be fire, man. I've already looked at it. I might send y'all a little teaser, or you probably have already seen one. I'm not sure how I've done it, but you guys are gonna see a little teaser on that, and you're gonna see that car. You're gonna see how epic it looks and everything. So hopefully you guys really like it. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna pull it back in over here. We're in a Bay Area M437, and this is where we're gonna pull her in. And then go ahead and call it for what it is. We still got some work to do to this car here, man. This car is, she is, I don't like how whoever was in this car does these preview mirrors. It's so annoying. But I get it though. It's so annoying. Alright. But we're going to see just how we're going to see just how I'm trying to get in the right spot, man, and I'm trying to talk to y'all at the same time, and I'm trying not to hit anything, because, you know. But yeah, we got some work to do to this one here. We're going to do some work done. We're going to get some work done to this one here, and we're going to do our best. I'm going to do my best to get her up and going. I don't know how to see what's going on with these ride height sensors. So I'm gonna try to see what we gonna do about that, and hopefully, you know, we can get this thing here, get up and going. So anyway, we've been moving, taking care of some cheaper options and everything. We still got a Christmas tree up here, obviously. But we got our check engine light on. We got our ride high light on, our low light on, and that little icon thing, whatever. Like, it's sitting up too. Oh, the tires are sitting. It's sitting up. Yeah. Let's plug. Yeah, it's sitting up. But so you're gonna take it for a drive and see what's gonna happen. So.